Hi guys! Good afternoon! Gusto nyo bang malaman kung saan nakatago ang isa pang violation guys? Panoorin na to. Click ang profile. Then, creator. Content and audience tool. And reels. Yan guys. Naglo-loading lang. And tatlong guhit guys. Then support inbox. Yan, your alert. Yan, no violation yung aking profiles guys. Yan, dyan yun malalaman kung saan nakatago ang inyong mga violation guys. Yan, kaya panoorin nyo yan guys para malaman nyo yung mga violation nyo kung saan nakatago. Okay? Yan, thank you for watching guys. Follow for more.